Welcome to the channel. Today I'm making video on MDX Acura side glass having problem. Actually it's the passenger side. It's not working for me from last few days, so all other glasses work. Back one work as well, both sides, but passenger side is not working. No matter what I do, it's not doing anything. So after I search on this, found few reasons, possible reasons that if this is not working. One could be switch. Second, there's a harness goes here which connects somewhere down there. That could be reason. Another reason is if the battery goes down and we change the battery, that could do also. But this easiest one is to try something out, which is this step. So what we need to do is press this, just one click, and press it so it start going down, and keep it pressed. Okay, now just one click, not auto, just one click. So again, now try to close it. It's going up. Press it. Okay, let's go back on, see if it do anything. And it's working. And it started working.